Tire season, I need to take these down, take them onto work, and replace them. There's some life left. So on all 4 tires right now, I'm gonna take out the center cap and just the valve cap and leave these home. So I'm gonna prep the tires to be done fast at work. Center caps, valve caps, and no joke, I think this is the worst one. I finally picked up $500 tires. I got these yesterday and I brought them to the shop. I just need to go home, and I can't fit 2 sets of tires in my car, so I'll just install this all seasons and then do the tire changeover when I get into work. Out with the old, in with the new. All right, so while I'm working on the customer car, I'm gonna take all the air out and check on that thing every 5 minutes. Done like so. Now, away from the tire valve, you want to carefully break the bead. The same on the other side. After clamping, we start with the tire machine. You want to put the tire sensor kind of right before danger, and it will pass it by. Let's go around again. So an inside outside. I'm gonna put DOT on the outside. Some NOS. And so you didn't get a good chance to see, but when installing, put the valve sensor away from this. That sensor. Wait for that to go there. Now, just fill it with air. And there you have it. Last tire. So I'm gonna try a rim cleaner. I'm not promoting anything. So this way when I get to stickers, they go on nice and easy. Wow, and that's ready to be balanced. All right, first now we're gonna remove those old weights. Just like so. Pry it off. All right, so I'm going to now rubber wheel it, then clean the rim with this. So, I mean, cleaned it a bit without using a razor blade. So no scratching, but kind of extra polishes it right there. Let's just say that. Finally, the last one. Now I get to balance all four. Okay, nearing the end here. So if you guys can see, take this nonsense off. Take this guy, put it there, and it measured it. You hit F4, I think it's 7.5. And you hit 15, sorry, 5, you hit 5. And I know my rim is a 17. Then you just spin the silly thing. Like so. Nice. And grab some sticky weights and that's it. So for example, I would put the 0.75 right there, but it's aluminum, and aluminums like to use grams. And then the 2 like quarters, so like 2 of these would be on the inside. I found one last strip. So yeah, see the weight there? Put them on. I want to try this way because I don't want to do more damage to my rim, but let's see if it balances. Perfect. Been perfect. Just join the rest of them and my car is going to be all done. Ooh, brakes. Okay, we're gonna make these 35. This is cool. It's a little tighter. There you go. All right, so and that's it. You can do a circle if you want. And at home, I'm gonna put the caps and valve stems on. And edit through this video, make it really short. Oh, all right, so cars that have TPMS, so you could always, since ever, just scroll in the menu and you could always see what each tire PSI is. Also, for some mechanics, I know all the time, it's hard to, even when you have an apprentice help you and you forget to adjust the tire pressure, or you ask them if they did and they say, yeah, and the car leaves and you have a untrusty customer and scrolls to this menu, then all of a sudden you're called out. So, you know, TPMS can work for you and against you. Now, I personally like this one. I like to see my 4-wheel drive on and off, whatever. There we go, lights on. So I'm gonna put the caps in and the valve cap. This way it looks all complete. I took these off and left them at home for a couple reasons. A lot of time when you're doing many tires on the machine, these things fall on the floor, they get lost, they get broken, and it's not worth replacing. So this is all one car done. Next is my wife's car, which is a BMW with run flats. So good luck to me for that one. See you next video.